In the vast expanse of the cosmos, humanity has always been driven by an insatiable curiosity to explore the unknown. From the first steps on the Moon to the robotic explorers on Mars, our journey into space has been marked by moments of triumph and discovery. In this feature-length documentary, we will delve into the most ambitious space missions of the 21st century, exploring the technological marvels and scientific breakthroughs that are redefining our understanding of the universe. Prepare to embark on a journey beyond our world and into the depths of space. Exploring the final frontier has been a dream of mankind for centuries. In this documentary, we will take you on a journey through time and space, uncovering the stories behind the most ambitious space missions of the modern era. From Mars rovers to deep space probes, we will explore the cutting-edge technologies and the brilliant minds driving these missions. Our journey begins with a look back at the history of space exploration. We will revisit the Apollo missions that first took humans to the Moon, the early robotic explorers like Voyager and Pioneer, and the Space Shuttle program that paved the way for modern spaceflight. Understanding the past helps us appreciate the incredible advancements that have brought us to where we are today. In this journey, we will also meet the scientists, engineers, and astronauts who are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Their dedication and ingenuity are the driving forces behind these missions, and their stories are as inspiring as the discoveries they make. Join us as we explore the latest missions to Mars, the ambitious plans for lunar exploration, the groundbreaking discoveries of the Hubble and James Webb Space Telescopes, and the visionary projects that aim to take us beyond our solar system. This is the story of humanity's quest to explore the cosmos and our place within it. Mars has always captivated the human imagination. Its reddish hue, visible to the naked eye, has sparked countless myths and stories throughout history. In the 21st century, our fascination with the red planet has taken a more scientific turn, with a series of robotic missions designed to explore its surface and unlock its secrets. The journey to Mars has been a long and challenging one. Early missions faced numerous setbacks, but each failure provided valuable lessons that paved the way for future successes. One of the most significant milestones was the successful landing of NASA's Mars rover, Curiosity, in 2012. Curiosity's mission was to explore Gale Crater and search for signs of past life. Curiosity's journey began with a dramatic landing sequence known as the 7 Minutes of Terror. This complex maneuver involved a heat shield, a parachute, and a sky crane to safely lower the rover to the Martian surface. The successful landing was a testament to the ingenuity and precision of the mission's engineers. Since its landing, Curiosity has made remarkable discoveries. It has found evidence of ancient riverbeds and lakes, suggesting that Mars once had a much warmer and wetter climate. These findings have significant implications for our understanding of the planet's history and its potential to support life. In 2018, NASA launched another groundbreaking mission to Mars, the InSight lander. Unlike its predecessors, InSight's primary goal was not to explore the surface, but to study the planet's interior. Equipped with a seismometer and a heat probe, InSight has provided valuable data on Mars' geological activity and internal structure. One of the most ambitious Mars missions to date is the Mars 2020 mission, which successfully landed the Perseverance rover in Jezero Crater in 2021. Perseverance's mission goes beyond searching for signs of past life. It is also collecting samples of Martian soil and rock to be returned to Earth by future missions. Perseverance is also accompanied by a small helicopter named Ingenuity. Ingenuity's successful flights have demonstrated the potential for aerial exploration on Mars, opening up new possibilities for future missions. Beyond NASA, other space agencies and private companies are also setting their sights on Mars. The European Space Agency's ExoMars mission aims to search for signs of life both on the surface and beneath it. The mission's rover, Rosalind Franklin, is equipped with a drill capable of reaching depths of up to 2 meters, where signs of ancient life might be better preserved. In addition to government agencies, private companies are playing a crucial role in Mars exploration. SpaceX, founded by Elon Musk, has set an ambitious goal to colonize Mars. The development of the Starship spacecraft, designed for deep space missions and capable of carrying large crews and cargo, is a key component of this vision. SpaceX's vision for Mars involves not just exploration, but also the establishment of a self-sustaining colony. The company plans to send cargo missions ahead of human missions to prepare the infrastructure needed for human settlers. This includes life support systems, habitats, and technology for producing fuel and water on Mars. The advancements in Mars exploration technology are bringing us closer to a future where humans could live and work on the red planet. These missions are not just about scientific discovery, but also about pushing the boundaries of what is possible and inspiring future generations to dream big. Mars remains a focal point of our quest to explore the cosmos. Each mission builds on the discoveries of its predecessors, inching us closer to the day when humans will set foot on the Martian surface. The red planet holds many mysteries, and with each new mission, we get closer to unraveling them. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has always held a special place in human history and imagination. The Apollo missions of the 1960s and 1970s were monumental achievements, marking humanity's first steps on another world. Now, more than 50 years later, we are preparing to return to the Moon with new goals and new technology. The Artemis program, spearheaded by NASA, aims to land the first woman and the next man on the Moon by the mid-2020s. Named after the twin sister of Apollo in Greek mythology, Artemis represents a new era of lunar exploration with a focus on sustainability and long-term presence. Artemis the first mission in the program, will be an uncrewed flight test of the Space Launch System, SLS, and the Orion spacecraft. This mission will demonstrate the capabilities of these systems and pave the way for future crewed missions. Artemis II will be the first crewed mission, taking astronauts around the Moon and testing the systems needed for a lunar landing. This mission will set the stage for Artemis III, which will see astronauts land on the lunar surface for the first time in over half a century. The Artemis program's goals extend beyond simply landing on the Moon. One of the key objectives is to establish a sustainable human presence on the lunar surface by the end of the decade. This involves the development of the Lunar Gateway, a space station in orbit around the Moon that will serve as a staging point for missions to the lunar surface. The Lunar Gateway will play a crucial role in the Artemis program. It will provide a platform for scientific research, facilitate crew transfers between Earth and the lunar surface, and serve as a hub for international and commercial partnerships. The Gateway represents a collaborative effort to explore the Moon and beyond. One of the most exciting aspects of the Artemis program is the focus on exploring the lunar South Pole. This region is of particular interest because it contains permanently shadowed craters that may harbor water ice. Discovering and utilizing this water could be a game changer for future lunar missions, providing resources for life support and fuel. The development of new lunar landers is also a critical component of the Artemis program. NASA has partnered with private companies to design and build the Human Landing System, HLS, which will carry astronauts from the Gateway to the lunar surface. These landers are designed to be reusable, supporting the goal of sustainable exploration. Artemis is not just about returning to the Moon, it's about building a foundation for future exploration. The lessons learned and technologies developed through Artemis will pave the way for human missions to Mars and other destinations in the solar system. By establishing a sustainable presence on the Moon, we are taking the first steps towards a future where humans live and work in space. The program's ambitious goals and innovative approaches are setting the stage for the next giant leap in human space exploration. While robotic missions and human exploration have taken us to other worlds, telescopes have opened our eyes to the vastness of the universe. Among the most significant tools in our quest to understand the cosmos are the Hubble Space Telescope and the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope. Launched in 1990, the Hubble Space Telescope has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Orbiting above Earth's atmosphere, Hubble has provided stunning images and valuable data that have led to numerous discoveries. From the birth and death of stars to the expansion of the universe, Hubble has captured it all. One of Hubble's most iconic images is the Deep Field, a photograph of a small region of space that revealed thousands of galaxies, some of which are billions of light years away. This image provided a glimpse into the early universe, offering clues about its formation and evolution. Hubble's observations have also contributed to our understanding of dark matter and dark energy, mysterious components that make up most of the universe. By studying the effects of gravity on galaxies and clusters, Hubble has helped scientists map the distribution of dark matter and measure the rate of expansion of the universe. Despite its many successes, Hubble has faced challenges. Shortly after its launch, a flaw in the primary mirror caused images to be blurry. This issue was corrected by a series of servicing missions by astronauts, demonstrating the importance of human presence in space. The upcoming James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch in 2021, is poised to build on Hubble's legacy. Named after James E. Webb, a former NASA administrator, the Webb telescope is designed to observe the universe in infrared light, allowing it to peer through dust clouds and study the earliest galaxies. With its large segmented mirror and advanced instruments, the Webb telescope will provide unprecedented resolution and sensitivity. It will study the formation of stars and planets, the atmospheres of exoplanets, and the evolution of galaxies over cosmic time. The James Webb Space Telescope represents the next generation of space observatories. Its infrared capabilities will allow scientists to see beyond the visible spectrum, revealing new insights into the universe's most distant and ancient objects. Webb's observations will complement those of Hubble, providing a more complete picture of the cosmos. One of Webb's key goals is to study the formation of stars and planets. By observing regions where stars are being born, Webb will help scientists understand the processes that lead to the formation of planetary systems. This research is crucial for understanding the origins of our own solar system and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope's advanced technology and ambitious goals make it one of the most anticipated missions of the 21st century. Its launch and deployment will be a complex and challenging process, but the potential rewards are immense. Webb has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the universe, just as Hubble did before it.